Welcome to 2617 Holly Drive here in the heart of Fort Washington, Maryland. This is a spacious and beautiful Rambler that just went on the market with over 2,300 square feet. Join us today for a private tour. Welcome to your home, built in the 50s yet renovated to today. We're now in the living room that is truly spacious for entertaining and guests. As you can see, it also features a wood-burning fireplace. The dining room adjacent to the living room can be used in multiple ways. It can be featured as a true dining room or even a spacious eat-in kitchen. And I love the light that just streams through the entire main level. The kitchen was renovated in 2009, and you can see the eye to detail that they gave with custom cabinetry, even with soft closed drawers, granite countertops, and the open space that you have, which is not common for this era. The primary suite offers you multiple design options. It also showcases hardwood flooring in this room and throughout the main level, and metal encased windows. You can see there's 2 featured windows within this primary suite. On the main level, you also have 2 additional bedrooms that share a common bathroom. The bathroom on the upper level has been fully remodeled and glazed to perfection. With the lower level design, it truly feels like a lower level and not a basement, with recessed lighting and framed windows all throughout. It's a perfect opportunity to have an additional level of living and entertainment. Beyond the recreation room, you have your laundry room with utility sink and direct access to your private backyard. It's important to know and understand the mechanicals within a home. The owners have upgraded these mechanicals. You have a 275-gallon oil tank that's been replaced and a brand new water heater, even with an expansion tank. And this is your private oasis. You can access it from the main level and even the lower level with a walk-up basement. The roof was replaced recently, and on the roof on both structures, where you have your own workshop and you have an additional structure for your riding lawnmower. Reach out to the Nellis Group today to book your own private tour.